There are different Pixellab features you can use to design your text effects for your gaming thumbnails, depending on the game and depending on the feature and how you want to place it. So in this video, I'll be showing you and I'll be teaching you how you'll be able to do all this. So kindly hit the subscribe button and stick with me till the end of this video if you want to know how I was able to design all these things and how you can also do that using just your Pixel app in your smartphone or in your system. Alright guys, so we'll be designing this text effect now. So I can just open my Pixel app and then go to text, and I'll edit this new text to what to the text of the gaming I want to design. I want to add effects in. So I can just use this as an example. I will add the first text here. I'll just add the first text and I'll be changing the size of this background, because this is not the normal size you'll be using. I'll change it to the size of a YouTube thumbnail, which is this, and then I can just increase the size of this and then go to AB font, because I want to change the font I want to use for this. So I can just go to this font. I'll be using this font, or if you don't have this particular American Captain font, you can use another font that has a straight style, just like this one too. So after picking this, I'll have to let me change the background of what I'm working with. I'll be changing the background to black, so I can just select a black color from here, and then I'll add the edit I want to add there. So I'll just go to this A, and I'll go down to perspective, enable this perspective and adjust it just the way I want. I can adjust it like this. Good. And also I can also use this rotate tool here if I want it to rotate more. Increase the size a bit and then position it. Another thing I'll do here is I'll have to go down to 3D. I'll go to 3D text and I will enable it, and then go to depth. I can increase the depth a bit and increase the darken, and also add a color to the depth. I'll be adding a gradient, so I would like to add this particular one. So I can simply increase the depth again depending on my choice, or if I want it in oblique way, I can select oblique and reduce the depth so that it will be able to suit my design and what I want to use it for. I can increase the darken depending on choice, just like this. Good. So another text I'll be adding here, I'll add the second text I want to use here. So I'll use this stream. I'll use stream. So I can simply just type it in here and increase the size just like I did in the first one, and I'll have to change the font of this. I'll go to AB font and go to my fonts. Here there are lots of fonts I downloaded here I use for my designs. So if you want to learn how you'll be able to download and install fonts into your Pixel app, you can check the description of this video. I embedded a video on how you'll be able to download and install any font you want into your Pixel app. Alright, so you can just watch the video so you know how I was able to do this. At this point, I want to select this font. The name of this font is Speed Beast Free. If you don't have this font, you can just go to www.dafont.com. The website is also in the description. Go there and search for this font and download it too. I'll use this font and I'll place it here because it's looking cut at the end of this M. I'll go down to padding. You see where this padding 2 is, then I'll increase the right padding. Have you seen that? Good. Okay, so at this point I'll have to go down to I'll go down to perspective, just like I did for the first text, then use this to adjust it like this, in this way, so that it will coincide with the first one. So after adjusting it like this, I'll just mark good, and then use this rotate. I can also use this rotate to rotate it this way, to make sure that this place is in the same line with the first one. So after I've done that, I can just increase the size of this to make it a little bit bigger than the first one. Then go down to color. I'll go to color, select gradient, and I'll be selecting this color. How I was able to combine this color was, you can just tap on this plus sign, tap here and go to this place and select a yellow color, pure yellow color, mark OK, and then select this, go down to, you go to orange and pick the particular style of orange color you want, and then press OK. Alright, so after I've done this, I'll just go to 3D rotate. I'll go to 3D text because I want it to be in 3D format. Enable it, and then I'll make the depth a little bit dark, and then change the color of the depth to red, to pure red. I don't want to be using the oblique one. I want to use the perspective, so I can simply increase the depth of this and then increase the darkening depending on the effects you want to add to the text. Alright, so I'm done with this like this. You can see how captivating and nice this is. You can also just proceed to add it to your gaming platform or whatever you want to use it for. So I hope you learned something great from this video. If this video was useful to you, don't forget to share this video, like and subscribe to this channel so you'll be able to get more notifications and more updates concerning this graphic design and more new videos. Alright, so thank you so much for being on this channel. I'll be expecting you in my next video.